Ooh, Good morning, team, please take your seats. Ooh, today's agenda, counting from 1 to 20, clean and neat. We're number executives, sharp and bright. Let's roll call the digits and get them right. The boss, the one and only CEO, sitting at the head in a suit of pure glow. One idea, one plan, one signature line. Number one is absolutely fine. The partner, they always agree. High five each other, as happy as can be. 2 shoes, 2 socks, 2 hands in the air. 2 is the team that's got a best friend there. Triangle team on a mission so grand. 3 best friends holding hands in a band. 3 scoops of ice cream, 3 colors on flags. 3 brings the whisk and the wiggly tags. Oh, 4 square tables so steady and strong. 4 legs on each chair where we all belong. 4 wheels on the bus that go round and round. 4 is the number that stays on the ground. High five, come on, slap those palms. 5 little fingers running up our arms. 5 shiny stars in the front row line. 5 is the magic we already know is set. Sykes rolled, clickety-clack. Mother duck with 6 fluffy ducklings at her back. 6 sprinkles on top of 6 gooey donuts. 6 tells our tummies more, don't stop it. 7 lucky 7, rainbow delight. 7 bright colors shining super bright. 7 fun days we wait for each week. 7 brings the weekend, yay! We earned that treat! 8 octopus waving hello with style. 8 wriggly arms in a twisty show for a while. 8 jelly beans bouncing inside the jar. 8 is the number that's gone wild so far. 9 fluffy kittens all in a row, purring and tumbling while we count real slow. 9 ladybugs marching on green grass so fine. 9 is the number with polka dot shine. Tiny 10, we've reached the top goal. 10 fingers together make one perfect whole. 10 little toes in the sand by the sea. 10 is the number for you and for me. Now take a deep breath, we're not done, oh no. Meeting still going, let's keep up the flow. 2 teams of 5 standing side by side. Guys ready to run and a slide. Clock strikes, finally snack time is here. 12 yummy cookies, let's share without fear. Unlucky, not in our crew. 13 bright balloons, red, green, and blue. 14 Valentine cards sent to every friend. 14 sweet messages, love without end. Till the recess bell rings once more. 15 extra swings on the playground we adore. Candles burning bright and so long. Sweet 16 wishes, we want them all strong. 17 pressures, brave and full of cheer. 17 treasures in a pirate's old frontier. Holes on the mini golf course we play. 18 bright putts with laughter all day. Climb to the top of the slide so tall. 19 brave kids with arms open for all. We did it, meeting complete. 20 big cheers, hooray, what a treat. So clap your hands from 1 to 20, we've gone. Best counting meeting, now carry on. Ooh, oh.
Bye, dear friends. See you in lesson number 2. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe.